Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to crop your video in DaVinci Resolve 18. For this, let's say this is my clip right here and I want to crop it. What you can do is go to the right and under inspector, you can open the tab here, cropping, and then just scroll with crop left until you like the left part of it and scroll right until you have, for example, this one, which is perfect for Instagram or for TikTok. What you can also do is here on the left, switch from transform to crop, and then you can adjust it with your hand again, however you like this. You can even make it smaller like that. And then this is your finished video. Okay, that was a quick tutorial on how to crop your video in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.